Oil change on a 2023 CRF110. Gonna want to start the bike for 3-4 minutes, get the oil warm. Once that's done, get a 17mm socket, take off that stock drain plug. Make sure you get the crush washer that sometimes gets left behind on the engine. Tilt the bike straight up, get all the oil out of there, back and forth. Just make sure it all comes out. Taking that crush washer off. Got the Tusk Magnetic Drain plug, M12 by 1.5mm. It is a 14mm socket for that. Put it back on there. And I'm doing it by hand with my ratchet, but I do believe it's 20 foot-pounds. If you don't feel comfortable doing it by hand, you can get a torque wrench. I'll confirm the spec in the description. Manual calls for 1 liter of oil. I'm using the 1030 Pro Plus from Maxima. And this is just a measuring cup I got online. They're cheap. Makes things easier. Hey guys, if you're liking the video so far, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Do my best to answer them. Stick the dipstick back in there, tighten it up, start the engine again for 4 or 5 minutes. Get that fresh oil warm so when you check the level it's accurate. Turn the engine off, unscrew the dipstick. Make sure to always have a towel handy. You don't want oil to drip on your concrete, make a mess. Position the bike level. And for this, you do not want to screw in the dipstick. Just set it in until it seats and pull it right back out. And the oil level should be right in the middle, right over there. Yeah. Everything looks good. I put exactly 1 liter in. It's perfect. All done. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like, subscribe. Have a good one. See ya.